Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. Today I'm doing another realistic cleaning with me video. I started off showing you guys the main rooms that need cleaning, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with one of the bedrooms, going to wipe a few different surfaces down, the remotes, and just different things that are being touched frequently. Very important to do that every so often, or as often as you can. Now I'm going to strip the bed down. I need to make sure that I get any stains that are on the sheets off. And I kind of started just doing this, spraying it directly on the bed so you can see if there's a stain, as opposed to just putting it in the wash. You can see better when it's laid out. So I started kind of just bringing the stain remover in with me and just spraying, taking all the sheets off. Now I'm taking them to the wash. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the washing machine. Pretty standard stuff here. I like to add a lot of detergent because I like the sheets to smell good. Now I am making the bed with fresh sheets. These were already cleaned previously, so I'm adding these to the bed. Struggling a little bit to get it on there, as you can see. And adding this comforter. I've since gotten rid of this comforter. It was giving me issues. It was definitely giving me issues. It had a lot of like peeling and just kind of falling apart. So I've gotten rid of it since. Now I'm adding the pillow shams to the pillows. And now going to the second room. So doing the same thing, gonna strip the bed down, taking all the linens off, spraying any stains that I see right then and there, so that way I can make sure that I get to them, that the wash gets to them thoroughly, and when they're washed, they'll be actually clean and won't be any kind of set in stains. Nothing worse than when you wash and dry something and then the stains now set in and you can't get it out, the worst. So these are fresh sheets, a fresh comforter set from Wally World. Not the best. Washed it and dried it a couple times, and it's kind of had this weird peeling thing, but anyway, it looks nice when I first put it on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the bed. Same standard stuff. Putting the fitted sheet on. As I've said before, I don't really like regular sheets. It's just like extra and unnecessary to me. Like, let me know how you feel about it. I know I'm probably alone in this, but I just like, what's the point of fitted sheets? I'm just, right now, fitted sheets are not my vibe, so I'm not using them. Anyway, so I'm doing the same thing, putting the pillows back in the pillowcases, fresh, and adding them to the bed. Now I am taking the previous load that I just washed and putting that in the dryer. Making sure everything looks and smells clean. Very important. And this is the settings that I put mine on. Super hot, just to make sure, hot water, super hot to get everything, a supersized load to get everything out. And I told you guys previously, I put this sofa cover on this couch, and like I told you, it was not a long-term fix, but right now I'm trying to make it work still in this video. So I'm using my lint roller, and I've should have got a better lint roller. I was looking for one, couldn't find it. But anyway, I got all the stains and lint and things off, vacuumed it and whatnot, and finished up with that. As you saw earlier, my sister's dog kind of ripped that ottoman up, so I've covered that since too. I might get rid of it, I'm not sure yet. Now I'm going on to vacuuming, getting everything off of the floor. Yeah, just vacuuming the rug and all throughout the house to make sure that the rugs look clean, and they are clean. And just kind of nice to do these things every so often, so that it doesn't pile up and it doesn't look bad over time. Sometimes I do vacuum the hardwood floor, yes. Now I'm taking the trash out and vacuuming from a different angle. Vacuuming this is not hardwood, this is LVP. Vacuuming the floor, the LVP floor. Yeah, getting all the things off that. Now I am washing some dishes. Wash your hands first. That's important. Very important to wash your hands. And then I'm going to wash the dishes. Now I'm drying the dishes. I'm going to go ahead and put those away. And this is what the kitchen's looking like. Better. Adding some plugins, make it smell good. Some smell goods, always nice to have those. And this is the final version. Cleaning up all the rooms, making sure that they look fresh and clean And I didn't show me vacuuming the rugs here, but typically I will vacuum the floors as well. But yeah, nice standard cleaning here. Bathroom, I didn't even show me cleaning the bathroom, but I did wipe that down, clean all the rugs, and wipe the inside of the shower down, all that good stuff. So there's that. And here's the living room and the family dining, just mid-hallway room. I don't know what you call this. Heading out to the kitchen, and everything looks so fresh and so clean. Ready to dirty it up again. You know how cleaning goes. Wash, rinse, repeat. Okay guys, that was my midweek cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, my name is Maya. If you did like that, again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. A lot more of these type of cleaning videos, clean with me videos will be coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.